If your Navien tankless water heater shows the E438 error code, it means there's a problem with the recirculation pump system. This pump is responsible for keeping hot water moving through your pipes so you don't experience that frustrating cold water sandwich effect. When the pump isn't working correctly, hot water doesn't circulate, and you end up with a burst of cold water before the heater catches up. The cold water sandwich happens when the heater has been idle. The hot water sitting in your pipes cools down, and when you turn on a faucet, that cooled water comes out first. Navian's recirculation system and buffer tank are designed to prevent this by maintaining warm water in the lines. But if the pump fails or circulation is interrupted, the system triggers the E438 code. To fix it, start by checking the return lines and water supply for any blockages, closed valves, or kinks that could restrict flow. Next, inspect and clean the flow sensor, since debris can prevent accurate detection. Then test the circulation pump by putting the unit into test mode and confirming it activates properly and receives correct voltage. Also examine the check valve to ensure it's not stuck, and clean the inlet water filter to maintain steady flow. If the issue continues, descaling the unit or contacting a qualified technician may be necessary.